Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video I'll show you Mirage callouts. Firstly, let's start with T. Right here we've got the T spawn. Now, let's go to the A. If you go here, this is called T roof. There we've got a ramp, and here we can say wood or balcony. There we've got the palace and pillars. Here we've got the Firebox and Ninja. A side, Tetris and sandwich. Here we've got the jungle, window, connector boost, connector and boost, and here we've got the meat. Let's go back to city. Here is the city spawn. Firebox and ticket booth. Here we've got kitchen or market, B-side, bench, door, kitchen window, and aparts. Here is the van. Here we've got the under. Here is chair, top meat, and next we can find short. This is called ladder room, and this is called vent. In the end, right here we can find TV room. This is called TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.